What's going on, guys? Michael from Reaper Customs here. Today we're going to take off this Tesla front bumper. Let's get at it. First things first, you're going to remove this plastic shield on the top of the tub inside the front. And then inside the front tub of a Tesla, you're going to remove these first 4 10 mils. You got one here, one here, one here, and one here. And you have a clip right up here holding the washer fluid spout. Now, we're going to pop this little corner clip holding the washer fluid spout. You want to just use your finger to push the bottom. It's going to release it, and you can just pull it out just like so. There it is. This is the frunk emergency release button, and you're going to want to pop this whole panel out, and it'll gain you access to this plug. So you could unplug this, but it's actually a lot easier if you position the whole panel to just be inside of this little hole, and then once you pull out the tub, it'll just stay there nice and pretty. Alright guys, now you're going to come to the side here. We're going to take off all these fender flares. So down here, right at the bottom, there's a vent, but next to the vent is a clip. I'll pop that clip. One clip. Now you got the fender flare. You want to grip the bottom of the fender flare here. You want to back up for this. You're going to want to grip the fender flare on the bottom and the side here, and all the clips will pop just like this. And there's your fender flare. So now you'll have normally you'll have 3 clips on the inside of the fender, but this car is being worked on by other shops and such, so we're missing 1 clip here. But we have this clip here to take out. You have another clip right up here. And then normally this is your spot for your 3rd clip. Now we have a 10 mil corner bolt here that you're going to want to remove, and you also have a 10 mil tucked in around the corner here that you can probably just see right there. Be able to see much for a second, but I promise I'm actually doing something. Now we're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Next thing, you're going to want to get on the ground, and you got a bunch of clips on the underside of the bumper that you're going to want to remove so you can pull the bumper off. Let me show you. This is the last one that you're going to have to remove. Next thing you want to do is you're going to want to pop the bottom skid plate away from the car. Just has all these little flap retainer pieces. And you want to come to the side of the bumper and get your fingers in between the inside fender well and the bumper, and you want to just pop the corner like that. And now you're going to want to get your fingers in here again and pop this side. Now both sides of the bumpers are popped, and the bottom of the bumper is all loose. All you have left to worry about is right here next to the headlights. You're going to have 2 clips here that are stationary clips, but you do have to release the bumper from them. On this side too, you have the 2 clips, and you're going to want to release the bumper from them. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 mils on the top here that we're gonna remove right now. So let me show you inside the bumper here to give you guys a little idea of what it looks like. I use the corner of my pry tool to pop the top clip there and pop the top clip right there. You heard that? That's a good sound. And then you're going to want to get underneath this clip here. You want to get underneath this clip and pop the bottom plastic away from the clip. Like that. And then you come on to this side. You want to do the same thing. Here's a close-up of the clips. So this is the top piece that you're going to want to push down so you can release the top side on both the clips. And it has the same mechanism but on the bottom side to release the bottom section. And now we are going to do the other side. So first things first, slide the pry tool in. Grab your pick, get right on in there, pop 1, pop 2, get on the underside, pop 1, pop 2. And now the bumper is off the vehicle, but you're going to see over on this side, you have a main wiring harness plug that you're going to want to pull back the red retainer, push down on the little black piece that is revealed, and pop it off. And just like that, we got a Tesla bumper off the car, and now let's get one of the guys to wrap it.